Intro music fades in and out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something super important for all of us, achieving real financial freedom. Forget fancy jargon. We're breaking down 6 powerful strategies that can actually get you there, so you can live life on your own terms. On-screen text. 6 strategies for real financial freedom. So, what is financial freedom? It's not about being a millionaire or never working again. It's about having your passive income, money that comes in without you actively working for it, cover your essential living expenses. This gives you the power to make life choices without money being the deciding factor. Think more peace of mind, better work-life balance, and the freedom to chase your passions. Visual. Graphic showing a person making choices freely, not constrained by financial symbols like chains or dollar signs. Section 1. Strategy 1. Cultivating the financial mindset. On-screen text. Strategy 1. Cultivate your financial mindset. Alright, first things first, it all starts in your head. This isn't about being a finance whiz. It's about how you behave with money. You can have the best plan, but if you let emotions like fear or greed take over, it's toast. Visual. Split screen. One side shows a complex financial chart. The other shows a person looking stressed. Then, the stressed person looks calm and confident. We all fall for things like recency bias, thinking something that just happened will keep happening. Like selling stocks when the market dips because it feels bad, only to miss the rebound. Or loss aversion, where we hold on to losing investments too long hoping they'll recover. Visual. Simple animation showing a graph dipping down, then someone panicking and selling. Then, the graph going back up and them looking regretful. The best way to combat this? Automate. Set up automatic transfers for savings and investments. This takes the willpower out of it and makes good financial decisions the default. Visual. Animation of money flowing automatically from a checking account to a savings/investment account. And importantly, define what enough is for you. Don't get caught in the trap of lifestyle creep, where you spend more just because you earn more. Compare yourself to your own goals, not someone else's Instagram feed. Visual. Graphic of a growing salary line, but a spending line also growing alongside it. Then, the spending line stops and stays flat, while the salary line continues upwards. Section 2. Strategy 2. Laying the foundation with strategic goals. On-screen text. Strategy 2. Set strategic goals. Now that your mindset is in the right place, let's get strategic. First step. A financial audit. Track everything for at least a month. Where's your money really going? You might be surprised. Visual. A notepad with expenses being jotted down, perhaps showing categories like coffee, subscriptions, dining out. Once you know where you stand, set clear goals. Think short-term, like building an emergency fund or paying off a credit card. Medium-term, like a down payment, and long-term, like retirement. Visual. A roadmap graphic with markers for short-term, 1 year, medium-term, 1 to 3 years, and long-term, 3+ years, goals. Remember, your financial plan isn't set in stone. It's a living document. Revisit it regularly to make sure it still aligns with your life and dreams. Visual. A calendar graphic with review financial plan highlighted each month. Section 3. Strategy 3. Mastering your cash flow and conquering debt. On-screen text. Strategy 3. Master cash flow and conquer debt. This is where you take control of your money. A budget is your best friend here. It's not about restriction. It's about telling your money where to go. Whether you use the 50/30/20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or the pay yourself first method, find what works for you. Visual. Simple infographic showing different budgeting methods, like 50/30/20, zero-based, Pay yourself first. And debt? High-interest debt is a major roadblock. Tackle it aggressively. Prioritize paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. This saves you a ton of money in the long run. Visual animation of a credit card being symbolically cut up or a debt monster shrinking. Remember that lifestyle creep we talked about? Be vigilant. If you get a raise, automate saving a chunk of it before you even think about spending it. Visual: a piggy bank getting a coin dropped into it automatically every time a salary graphic increases. Section 4. Strategy for accelerating wealth with an aggressive savings rate. On-screen text. Strategy 4. Accelerate with a high savings rate. Here's a mind-blower. What you save is often more important than what you earn or how well your investments do. The FIRE movement, for example, pushes for saving 50 to 70% of income. Visual: a pie chart showing a huge slice for savings and smaller slices for expenses. Why is this so powerful? Because saving aggressively not only builds your nest egg faster, but it forces you to live more frugally. This means you actually need less money to be financially free. It's a win-win. Visual: a graphic showing a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger, representing savings. Again, automation is key. Set up automatic transfers, so you're saving before you even have a chance to spend. And when you get windfalls, like bonuses or tax refunds, funnel a good portion of that directly into savings. Visual animation of money raining down, with arrows directing a significant portion into a savings account. Section 5. Strategy 5. Strategic investing for long-term capital growth. On-screen text. Strategy 5. Invest strategically for growth. Once you've got that savings habit locked down, it's time to make your money work for you. We're talking stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks have historically given the best growth, but they come with more risk. Bonds offer stability. Real estate can provide income and appreciation. Visual: simple icons representing stocks, a graph going up, bonds, a shield, and real estate, a house. For most people, especially if you're aiming for financial freedom, low-cost index funds and ETFs are your best friends. They give you instant diversification, meaning you own a tiny piece of many companies. This reduces risk significantly. Visual: graphic showing a large basket filled with many different company logos, representing diversification through an ETF. Plus, their fees are super low, so more of your money compounds over time. Just keep investing regularly, and let the power of compounding do its magic. Visual: an animation showing a small seed growing into a large tree over time, representing compound growth. Section 6. Strategy 6. Diversifying income for stability and freedom. On-screen text. Strategy 6. Diversify your income streams. The final piece of the puzzle? Don't rely on just one income stream. Create multiple streams of income. This doesn't always mean more work, but it often means an upfront investment of either time or money. Visual: a graphic with a central, main income circle with multiple smaller circles branching out labeled side hustle, investments, rental income, etc. Think about rental properties, dividend stocks, creating and selling digital products like online courses or ebooks, or even monetizing assets you already own, like renting out a spare room or your car. Visual: quick shots or icons representing different income streams. A house with a dollar sign, a stock chart, a computer screen with an online course, a car icon. The more income streams you have, the more secure you are. If one stream falters, others can pick up the slack. Visual: a graphic showing multiple pillars supporting a roof, representing stability. Conclusion: on-screen text. Your journey starts now. So there you have it. 6 strategies to build real financial freedom. It's not a quick fix. It's a journey of consistent behavior, smart planning, and taking action. Visual. A montage of the key visuals from each strategy. The most important thing? Start now. Automate your finances, clearly define your goals, and stick to a long-term, systematic approach. You've got this. Visual. Host looking directly at the camera, smiling confidently. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to focus on first. See you in the next video. Outro music fades in.